The focus of Google's Pixel phones has always been on the camera, and it seems there's a lot of new stuff coming with the Pixel 8 series, as a new leaked ad reveals manual camera controls, new features, and a whole bunch of AI in the pipeline. A leaked video posted to 91 Mobiles offers a pretty detailed breakdown of all of the new camera features coming to Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, including some returning favorites like night sight, astrophotography, and super res zoom. What's new this year, though, is actually quite a bit. That starts with Video Boost, which Google says will use AI to create a smoother view as well as bringing night sight's effects to video, as we had previously reported was coming. The video also gives us a first look at Audio Eraser, another feature that popped up previously, with a quick example of removing city noise from the background of a video of a cello player. Perhaps the most wild use of AI in the video, though, is a Google Photos feature on Pixel 8 where the app will literally be able to change people's faces in a shot to create the shot you want, the Michael Scott treatment, if you will. There's no explanation on how this works, but it seems like it uses multiple, similar shots to create one final product. Again, it looks absolutely wild. Perhaps most interesting for photo enthusiasts is the arrival of full manual controls on Google Pixel 8. These are called Pro controls and are modeled after DSLR controls. We can't see all of the options, but shutter speed and ISO both appear, as well as manual focus. But beyond that, the leak also offers a full breakdown of the camera specs in place on the Pixel 8 series. Most notable here is that Pixel 8 Pro will add autofocus to the selfie camera, which is a 10.5 megapixel sensor. This is something Google offered in the past on the Pixel 3, but removed in subsequent releases. Pixel 8, though, apparently is fixed focus still despite having the same sensor. The rest of the camera specs include 50 megapixel primary sensors on both devices at f/1.68, a 1/1.31 inches sensor, and 1.2 mm pixel width. That seems to imply these will still be using the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor as the specs line up. Pixel 8 gets a 12 megapixel ultrawide camera with autofocus, while Pixel 8 Pro still gets a 48 megapixel ultrawide and another 48 megapixel telephoto camera at 5x. What is your opinion in this camera specs, and how can compare it to the iPhone 15 Pro this year? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, make a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one.